A young man noticed a little owl often sitting by his window and decided to befriend it. It all started with food. The owl grabbed the treat and flew away, but the next evening it came back, waiting for him. From then on, their friendship began to grow. Every day, the man filmed their meetings. At first, the owl only took the food, but soon it started staying longer, letting him touch and even gently pet it. It wasn't just about food anymore. They truly connected. The man built a small house for his feathered friend, and sometimes the owl even met his cat. It began spending nights nearby, flying off only when it needed to. Their bond became real, and the man knew he'd always take care of his little owl.